for now, let me take you through some of the basic things you need to know about the ChatGPT platform, at least the platform. So what you see here is a ChatGPT platform. To the left of it, top left, you see new chat. This is when you can start a new conversation with ChatGPT. Down here, you can do the upgrade. You can upgrade to any of their plan. And then for now, you can have all the access and do all the things with the free version. Then you have the dark mode. Usually this default is a light mode, but I think this doesn't look good as a dark mode. I like the dark mode pretty well because everything is pop and clear. And then you have the open Discord AI. So at any given point, you can decide to open the Discord and ask questions. You do that from here. Then you have the updates and frequently asked questions. These are places where people ask a lot of questions as well. And you can see the frequently asked questions and the frequently responded features that people asked. So that's OpenAI. You can log out from it here at the bottom. And then this ChatGPT details tells you a lot about ChatGPT. For example, this is a highlight of what ChatGPT is all about. It's all about interaction and forming prompts and discussing with the artificial intelligence website directly. You can see sample questions explain quantum computing in simple terms, and once you take on this as an example, it's going to give you a series of details that you can be marveled with. Then you can got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday, it will give you that. These are just sample questions. And then you have capabilities. This section talks about the capabilities of what ChatGPT can do for you. It can remember what users said earlier in the conversation. So just take note of this. It remembers what you said in the earlier conversation. Once you start a conversation, be taking note that what you're saying is the AI can remember what you said in a particular conversation and allow users to provide follow-up corrections. So if in a given conversation you want to follow up corrections, you can do that with ChatGPT and it remembers everything and allows you to reconnect with previous conversations, and then you can go ahead. And it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. If you make any inappropriate request, this AI tool have been trained to decline it instantly. And then you have limitations. These are limitations of ChatGPT, which have been highlighted. So just take note. May occasionally generate incorrect information. So this one is just a preview. It may give you incorrect information, but the probability of that is very, very slim. And there are cases when you can train it to give you incorrect information. May occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. This is also part of its limitation, occasionally. And it had limited knowledge of world and events after 2021 because it picks its information from pools of available information online. Anything beyond 2021, it might be difficult for you to find it on this very artificial intelligence tool. So this is about the basic. And then down there you have the chat box. This is where you type in all your prompts, This is where you type them, and the ChatGPT is going to respond to you directly, and you can always kickstart a new chat from here. Basically, this is about ChatGPT, how to log in and how to sign up to come up to this point. I think that does it for this tutorial at the introductory level. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.